Hi, it's Shane from Just Pro Tools. We've been selling the Maxim Pro Series toolboxes for 10 years. We've always had the vision that one day we could offer the large industrial style toolboxes similar to what was available in the USA. A toolbox should hold all your tools, but it should be at a reasonable price. This toolbox can be optioned up to be up to 100 inches wide, 550 kilos in weight, have 49 drawers plus 2 cupboards. This video will show you that we once again take our no compromise approach to the second generation 60-inch Maxim Pro Series toolbox. We'll start with the 60-inch roll cabinet. It's 1530 millimeters wide and 600 millimeters deep. The construction of the body and also the drawers is 1.2 millimeter steel powder coated throughout. Its total weight is 235 kilos, which is a massive 75 kilos heavier than a lot of the competitors. Locking the toolbox is pretty easy. It's got 2 tubular key locks. For drawer retention while wheeling the toolbox around, we have latch locks under the handle of each drawer on the right hand side, and you'll hear when you push it back in, it clicks into place. The drawer slides are rated at 100 pounds per set, and on the bigger drawers we actually have double drawer slides. Inside the drawers, each drawer has an EVA mat for protection. The roll cabinet comes in 2 drawer configurations. This one is the 17 drawer, and it actually features these 2 very large deep drawers. These are great for welding masks, for aerosol cans and electric tools. The 22 drawer is this model over here, and basically instead of the 2 deeper drawers, it has in replacement a lot smaller drawers. To handle the weight of this box, you need to have a solid base. The casters on this box are rated at 900 kilos. They're 6 by 2 inch. There's 2 straights and 2 360 degrees. The 360 degrees have a foot lock. The foot lock actually stops the wheels from turning, also stops them from spinning. As this can be built up to 100 inches, we've made provisions for another set of casters to run along the centre. Once added, it brings the capacity up to 1350 kilos. Also, to keep more rigidity, we've added angled rails along the front and along the back of the box. We'll have a look at the top box. The top box features 15 drawers. It has all the same features, so it's got the latch locks on the drawers, it's got the EVA mats, it's got double drawer slides to the bigger drawers. It also has gas struts supporting the lid. The locker, once again, EVA mats, latch locks. It has 2 adjustable shelves, and the door has magnetic retention. The 60-inch series comes in 3 colours. It comes in black, blue and red. There are a lot of configurations, but you start with a roll cabinet either being the 17 drawer or the 22 drawer. You can add a stainless top, and if you add the locker, you've got a great workstation. For top and bottom boxes, you can either go for a 32 drawer or the 37 drawer. If you add a side cabinet, that's now an 80-inch toolbox. If you add 2 side cabinets, you now have a 100-inch toolbox. Thank you for watching. For more information, check out our website www.justprotools.com.au. Look under the toolbox section.